Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rosa. Welcome. This is not my usual type of video where I'm normally sitting in front of a camera. This is just going to be a quick video of me showing you what's on my vanity. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. This is usually what's behind me on all of my videos. It contains some of my makeup, but not all of it. Most of my makeup is on there, and I might make a video sooner than later where I'm updating you with some of the stuff that I keep on my collection. But for now, I'm gonna show you everything that's on my vanity. So I have this big mirror here that I usually use every time I do my makeup. I can just carry it around anywhere in the house and take it with me, but this is also the mirror that I use whenever I'm filming. Right on this corner, I have this smaller mirror with this like cute heart that it's supposed to hold like your jewelry pieces, but I just keep it right there with the mirror just as just kind of like a decoration for my vanity. I have this candle here that I actually tried burning once not too long ago, but it was smoking really bad, so I didn't want the smoke detector to go off that time my daughter was sleeping, so I have to try it again. Maybe I just have to burn it down to a certain point before I can actually use it. It's just so cute. This is Candles by Victoria, as you can see, and this was a collaboration with Jasmine from Juicy Jazz, and it smells really good. But even without burning it, just coming into the room, I get like a little scent of it. It's just really cute. So right now it's just chilling there on the back. Okay, if I didn't say this earlier in the video, I got these, actually this and this at Hobby Lobby, and I just use them to as decoration pieces. And this is normally the plate that I like to use that holds my everyday jewelry pieces. Then right here lays the birdie lashes. This is in the style Dream. These have been my favorite go-to lashes. I am waiting for the legal situation to be resolved before they can start selling these again and get a new pair. Move this back. Then right here, this actually has another candle with it. These two, I don't remember where I got them. I think I got them at a Sears here in town. I think it was right after Christmas, and I just love the design of it. As you can see, I was keeping the colors of my vanity white and gold. So when I saw these, I thought they were perfect, but they've gotten a little dusty, so I gotta clean them out. But for now, I leave one here and right here. I don't intend to really burn them. They're just there for decoration. Then I have this piece right here. It's just like a mirror that I sometimes use. I don't remember where I got this. It's been a while. I've had this one for years. It used to be in my bag, and I would carry it with me, but now I have a smaller one that it's a lot more compact. So I because it's got the gold, I keep it there. And then along with the candles, I remember getting these pieces right here. These glass pieces came together and also in like a sale bundle. I probably got them at where I got these as well on sale, and I use them to hold some of my brushes. So I keep this one, specifically this one holds like the smaller detail brushes that I don't get to use every day, just on special occasions, like such as this one, like a liner. And then right in front of it is my most used one. So for eyebrows, for concealer, and then for like brushing my eyelashes, to comb out like mascara and other things. So I like keeping that. And then on this side, I have this one just on the back. I am not really using this. This is a brush that I did probably a couple of years ago. It's been a project of mine to have these very cheap, actually very cheap brushes that are just white and gold, but I've been wanting to, I have the pack somewhere down there, but I want to get these rhinestones on them just to fill up these, just to fill them up and kind of use them as decoration. Not really intend to use them, but that one's the only one that I have done, so it's just there as a reminder to get to that project hopefully sooner than later. And then this one's empty right now, but this right here I keep a bunch of Q-tips that I use very often, mostly to clean like my nose, or if I get like watery eyes, I like to use them, but right now there's nothing in there. Then I have this piece, this beautiful box. I got this brush holder at Home Goods for a very cheap price, and it wasn't, it was just perfect. I knew I had to get it then, because going to Home Goods sometimes it's hit and miss. If you find something, you might not be able to find it the next time you go back, so I had to grab it. And it holds my brushes. I'm not gonna go through all my brushes right now, but you get the idea. These are mostly where I keep my face brushes. This one, like my powder brushes, and all of these are my eye brushes. And then this one here, actually this Impressions Vanity sponge holder, I got it also discounted at Home Goods as well. So I keep this one, and then this one on top. I have two sponges just in case one is dirty and I don't feel like washing it, so I keep two. And then right here, I don't remember, where did I get this one? I think I got this cute little cup at a Dollar General. It says "Don't talk to me, it's coffee time." I'm not really much of a coffee drinker as much as I am for matcha, but it's still very, very cute. And it actually came with a normal size cup, which I still use. I use it to mostly hold just like powder puffs and these sponges, but they're not inside right now because I just washed these and they need to dry and get smaller, but normally I would throw them in there, so they don't really just go in there. And then I got this one at a Japanese store, and I love using this one to mix in like my foundations and whatever else I need to do some mixing. So I normally just put it on top and leave it there. On the back is a very old fan, and actually a very dirty fan, but I haven't really used it, so it's just kind of sitting on the back collecting dust. So everything here is clear except for my newest palette. This is a transition palette from Dominique Cosmetics, and I actually have been using this every day. It's been an easy process for me to put on my makeup just because it's got everything you need for your face, so it just stays there. And then I do have a couple of like cards that I got in. This one I got it from Tarte. I think I got this a couple years ago, and I just love what it said, and I just left it underneath just because this one is a very flexible like plexiglass, and it's easy to remove. It doesn't fit perfectly on my vanity. It's actually a little shorter, but what it does is protects, all of this, so it keeps my vanity mostly clean. But it has gotten some scratches, and I do need to deep clean it. So when I still have the subscription to Ipsy Box, I think this is one of the last cards that I got, and I just love the message, and I always just leave it there as a reminder. Okay, moving on to this. This is actually two pieces. I also got these two pieces at Home Goods. It's actually the best place, in my opinion, to get discounted acrylic boxes for your makeup. So I got them both at the same time. So I'll just go through this first and show you. At the very bottom is stuff I can use for my lashes, lash glue, lash application. This one I haven't used in a while. Very sharp scissors that I normally use to trim lashes, and then some tweezers. And I have this fan that I have been using whenever I set my setting spray. Next one, for the most part, all these are all my current lip liners. These two are my go-to liquid lipsticks. Then I have this Ulta Jelly Gloss. This is my newest addition. I got it in one of the little bags that they give you for free on your birthday. Then I have some chapstick, and then I sometimes use this Flower Beauty lipstick. It's just the Bare Pout. I don't use it alone. I use it as to lighten up the middle of my lips. Next here is my Anastasia brow powder, and then I have this like clear mascara that honestly I've been using it to set my brows because I just ran out of eyebrow gel, so I have been using this one instead. Then I have these two tinted brow products. This one is from NYX and this one from e.l.f. Then here I just have I have an eye primer, a mascara primer, and then my NYX super jet black gel liner. Then right here I have two glowy products. Sometimes when I'm on a rush but I want to look glowy that day and just have a little bit of a wash of color, I use this very old it's sort of like a glowy blush, so I just keep it there. And this one also I use it as a highlight or like as an overall glowy powder for my face. Then here I have my two Catrice Camouflage Cream, and then I have these like color correctors. Whenever I want to change the color of some of my foundations, whenever they are too dark or too light, or they need the undertone to be fixed a little bit, so I just keep them here. So that is that for this piece. Putting this one back on the top, it fits right there perfectly. Right here I have the only setting spray that I currently have, and I'm trying to use it up. It's the e.l.f.'s All Night Setting Mist, which I'm not really blown away, so I'm just trying to use it up. Then I have a loose powder, the Halo Glow from e.l.f. Then I have the only primer I have from e.l.f. I'm trying to use that up as well. And then I have the number 7 translucent powder, which I like using it mostly to set my under eyes. Right here on the first row are my 4 Jouer high pigment glosses. I got these for free from a giveaway a couple of years ago. Then here on the back I have the Anastasia Liquid Glow. I have this Milani Cheek Kiss, and I have this It Bye Bye Under Eye Full Coverage Concealer. Then I have this Au Natural foundation that I'm trying to use up. Then on the back of that I have 4 concealers. It's the one from Catrice, one from Makeup Revolution, one from Collab, and then one from Milani. I'm trying to alternate through all of them and just trying to use them up. Then on the very back I have some eye drops. This is just rubbing alcohol, and then this is my brush cleaner. I have a video of how I made this. I will link it up in the description box if you're curious how to make your own, and you don't have to keep wasting money to buy those brush cleaners. They can be pretty expensive. And then I have my two current mascaras. This is mostly for tight lining, and it's waterproof, so I like using it for my lower lashes. This is the current e.l.f. Lash It Loud. I really like it. I have my this is just my eyelash curler. Then the 3 products here, I have my go-to black eyeliner. Actually 2 black eyeliners. And then this one is the Birdie Liner. This is the eyeliner and adhesive. I love this thing. This thing is genius. I hope not to run out of this before they start selling their products again, because this is a game changer. So that's what that is. So those are things that I use on my pretty much every day. It's easy to access instead of me going back and forth to that corner over there. So I just brought everything that I use. And here there's not much. I have some like just pen and pencil, some things that this thing that opens up letters. These little sticky dots, I use them to put them on makeup so I can remember how long ago I got them. And I have some notebook here where I write my notes for my video. Some other boring things here, just like cables and flash drives and things for my YouTube work. And that's that. That's pretty much my vanity. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a like. If you have any more questions, of course, leave them down in the comments below. And I will see you on my next video.